Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. I'm just going to take you around this latest arrival of ours. It is a MAN TGE medium wheelbase van. It's the 140 PS automatic model, high roof in pure grey. Lovely colour, quite rare to see on the MAN. Great spec on this one. As you can see, we've done some styling, so it's got the lower front splitter, gloss black pack to the grills, matte contrast on the badges, and colour-coded bumpers all round. Now this one, as you can see, has got the desirable LED lighting system, front park sensors including side protect, and it's got the 20-inch alloy wheels with general grabber 83 tyres all round. Full colour coding down the sides here. Now when we go inside, it's going to look a little bit odd because there's a couple of seats missing. Now we're just waiting for those coming back from the trimmers. They fill in all this bit here, and obviously the handbrake surround, etc. But as we've got to wait a couple of weeks for that, we thought we'd just get the video done on to show you it. This is the style that the double seat will be in. It's bi-colour leather with perforations in the centre and a contrast stitch. Has got the Ergo Active driver's seat, so active suspension within the seat. It's a very, very comfortable seat. You don't really feel bumps at all in the road on it. Great spec as well, this one, technologically wise. So it's got the heated front screen and the heated steering wheel, which is lovely in winter. Heated front seats too, air conditioning, and it's got the MAN equivalent of the Volkswagen App Connect. So you hook your phone up and you can use Google Maps, Apple CarPlay, play your music, etc. all on there. Got a reverse camera too, power folding mirrors, cruise control, and a nice leather multifunction steering wheel. So a really good spec there. A couple of USB-C charging points down the bottom. Is an automatic, as I've mentioned before. So moving to the looking from the side, we've left this totally as a blank canvas in the back, so you can determine how you want it. Obviously you could take the bulkhead out here and turn it into like a motorhome type conversion, or just ply line it out and use it as a really nice looking van. Now, as mentioned, we've got all the colour coding down the sides and on the bumpers. That is not a cheap job to do properly. A lot of effort and time and money goes into that. We've also smoked all the side repeaters, rear lights, just to really give it that nice look. It's got a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector on there. Again, colour coded trim on the back. Has also got gloss surround and the matte contrast of the MAN Lion. Now you can just see from here again. LED lighting in the rear, nice high roof. And being a delivery mileage vehicle on a 72 plate, it's in perfect condition, as you would expect. Further gloss black into the mirrors there. So all in all, really good looking, high spec vehicle, perfect for business or motorhome conversion. Now, I've got 20 plus photos on the website, along with a full written description at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We can supply finance for businesses or private individuals, and we do welcome part exchanges, so please do get in touch if you're interested in this van. Thanks for watching.